I was exploring MrBeast Feastable website when this particular section animation caught my attention. No, not that one. I'm talking about this scrolling text effect. With 11 years of front-end development under my belt, I couldn't resist the urge to recreate it. So let's dive in. First, we need to create a container element to hold our text content. Within this container, we'll need 4 or 5 div elements, each containing some text. But for now, let's focus on just one. With our HTML structure in place, it's time to move on to the CSS, where the real magic happens. Let's start by setting the background color of the body to black to make it easier on the eyes. Next, we'll change the color to white for better contrast. While we're at it, let's also update the font family to something more suitable. Now let's style our container. We'll define its height and width, add a border so we can see its boundaries, and apply a border radius as well for smooth and rounded edges. With the container in place, it's time to style the text. We'll increase the font size and transfer the text uppercase. Next, let's add some animation. We'll define a keyframe rule and name it scroll. In this keyframe, we'll use transform property with translate X to move the text horizontally. Now, our text should start sliding from left to right. Let's see what we got so far. There are two issues. Number 1, the text is overflowing beyond the container's boundaries. Number 2, the text is not continuous. It leaves a blank space during the animation. Let's address the first issue by setting the container's overflow property to hidden. Now, for the second issue. To fix this, we need to duplicate the text to act as a placeholder to cover the blank space. Here's how we'll do it. We'll duplicate the existing p tag. To align these elements horizontally, we'll set the display property of the box to flex. Next, we'll ensure that each p tag has a minimum width of 100%. To handle spacing between the text, we'll add a gap property. Let's check the result. Oops, did you catch that? There is a glitch. Interestingly, this glitch also appears on the Feastable website. Should we leave it? Absolutely not. The issue stems from the gap we added in the flexbox. To fix it, we'll incorporate the gap into translate X function using calc. And there you have it. Smooth, glitch-free scrolling text. Now, let's move on to the second text effect. Returning to the Feastable website, we notice that the second text scrolls from right to left and has a border around the text itself. Now that we know what to do, let's start duplicating the box. To make it scroll from right to left, let's duplicate the existing keyframe, change the name, and then change the to from. We will add a text stroke to the paragraphs. Next, for each subsequent box element, we'll make the background transparent. We will achieve this using the in-child selector. Perfect. Finally, we'll duplicate the box 3 more times, and there you have it. And that's it for now. Bye.